we're going to replace this sump pump. So this one is damaged, and I have the new one here. We're gonna put it right there. I'm gonna use the same connections. So I have this here, so I'm using the same one, and I opened this when I was in the store to make sure that this here will fit on. That's a 1.5 inch. This one here, this is 1.25, so I'm gonna remove this, and then removing this, I can put this one here. This is the 1.5 inch automatic tighter, really good, and I'm gonna put it on in place over there. So, okay, I have this really tight. I use my 2 hands to tighten it, and I'm gonna put it on place, and I have this here where the cable is gonna go over here. So the old one have 2 cables going to the plug, but this one only have 1. So this is the old one. This one only have 1, so we're gonna have 1 extra hole over here. But that's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put this ring over here. It protects so the water does not come out. And this one here. Okay, got some place over there, and I have the plug here. So I got the plug right here, and I don't want to have any cables hanging over there. So I'm just gonna tie it up good, just enough long. So I'm just gonna get this like that. The last part is to connect these two together. Para la cosita. Now we're gonna connect this piece right here to do the connection right here, and that's gonna be all. Okay, put this in, and I have the other part on the bottom to tie it in. I'm just gonna go with my hands. I don't want to use a tool, so whatever I can go with my hands, that's perfect. Same thing here. And I make sure the pump and the bottom is center, is set correctly, so it doesn't give us any future, any problems. So that's it, it's ready.